Ready for a splurge? If there's a must-have for every woman, it's the jewel of Lelo's crown, Alia, from the Insignia line. This beautifully designed external massager offers hours and hours of pleasure with its near-silent motor and powerful vibrations. And like any gem, it's completely dazzling as well. So what's the secret that sets it apart? Alia's totally unique, totally beautiful shape, inspired by the finest pieces in any jewelry box. Alia's elegant cutout form offers the perfect grip so you remain in control during use. And its shape is perfect for all-over body massage. Now what I really love about Alia is that it's so incredibly convenient. There are no batteries, so just plug it in and charge for up to 2 hours for guaranteed 4 hours of bliss. Not only that, but they're waterproof and uber discreet, so I can take it on business trips, romantic getaways, use it in the bath, or in the pool. And what makes me happy makes my partner happy as well. Very happy. Whichever gorgeous color you choose, black, pink, or deep rose, Alia is made from only body-safe materials which are FDA approved with the smoothest body-safe silicone, designed to remain dust-free so that keeping it clean is as easy as can be. Alia is safe, simple, hygienic, and drop-dead gorgeous too. Is there anything that Lelo didn't think of? With Alia, you get a 100% waterproof massager, 6 different vibration modes, an antibacterial pouch for hygienic storage, a 10-year quality guarantee, and a friend for a lifetime. Alia is now your little secret too.